Any oil is okay provided you limit the quantity, how much of the oil you take. But in our research, we have found that what is called as monounsaturated fatty acid oils. This is groundnut oil, mustard oil, gingerly oil. These are the best oils suited for Indians. Of course, you can also use corn oil or rice bran oil or other oils like sunflower oil. These can also be used. These come under the polyunsaturated fats. It's better to avoid the oils which contain saturated fat like palm oil and coconut oil.